I love having sandwiches in the morning. However, traditional sandwiches can get a bit boring. Today, I'll be showing you how to make an open-faced sandwich that's packed with protein, filled with flavor, and really, it's pretty to look at. I'm Thelma, and this is the Hungry Dolphin Kitchen. For this recipe, you need a slice of bread, some lettuce, vegetable oil, shredded cabbage, shredded purple cabbage, slices of tomatoes, your mayo, ketchup, eggs, honey, canned tuna fish, and some salt and black pepper. I'll add some vegetable oil to my pan and then break my eggs in. I'll add some salt in, black pepper, and let that cook gently on medium-low heat. And our eggs are ready. So in my bowl here, I have about 3 tablespoons of mayo. Then to that, I'll add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, half a teaspoon of some honey, and a dash of some vinegar. So our eggs are ready, our sauce is ready. Now it's time to assemble our sandwich. So I'll just go ahead and slice my bread here. We're getting rid of the head, and like I said, we want a thick slice. So I've gone ahead to toast my bread. We're just gonna spread some mayo on that. I'll now go in with my leaves and pack on as many as you want or as little as you want. And then next, I'll put my tuna in. Then I'll just add a little cabbage, a little bit of purple cabbage as well, 2 slices of tomatoes, and then I'll put some for my sauce. Then my eggs. Now you add some more sauce. If you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to smash the subscribe button below. See you in my next video.